I talked in my previous video about how to get amazing embossed foiled cardstock. This is the matte cardstock from the 12x12 cardstock shop. And I have cut several leaves here to use as embellishments on my layout today. The collection I'm using is Fall Fever, and you can get this at the 12x12 cardstock shop as well. So we recently went to a pumpkin patch, and I thought this collection is perfect to document that adventure. So I've got 4 photos. 3 of them are 4x3s, 1 of them is 4x4, and I am just going to lay out my pieces of paper here, and they are 2.5 inches wide for the bigger ones and a 1/2 inch wide on the smaller banners, and then I notched them to actually look like banners, and then I am just kind of staggering them here so that we'll be able to see all of the patterns on this piece of paper. And the background wood grain is also from that collection. And then my photos are going to land right on top, something along those lines. And just like that, I need to scoot that up a little bit. And you'll see here why in just a second. And when I go to adhere these, I'll make sure that they're evenly spaced and all that kind of stuff prior to putting them down. But for right now, you can see what it looks like. Then I'm going to use some of these to help emphasize where my embellishments are going to go. I've got my handy dandy thing here to help with sticker placement. So this sticker is going to go right here. And then I've got my title going across these photos here. And I'm going to tuck one of these embossed leaves underneath to bring in some of that gold. And then this is actually going to shift up. So let's see if I can do that real quick, just so you can get a visual of what this is going to look like. These are all stickers from the sticker sheet, and then the embossed leaves on top. So I'll do something along those lines, and then a couple leaves sticking out right here. Super fun, super easy and cute way to use the Fall Fever, and just stunning with these embossed leaves. Make sure to like and subscribe to the 12x12 cardstock shop for more paper crafting tutorials.